Family of the Delhi gang rape victim has said that they have no objection in publicly naming the girl and says it would be an honor to have an anti-rape law named after her. That is the big breaking news that we are getting for you. This is from the family of the Delhi girl who was raped and murdered later on, the 23-year-old physiotherapist who lost the battle with life. She passed away. However, her family says that it would be an honor if there was an anti-rape law named by her name. In fact, this is a suggestion which was made by Shashi Tharoor, the MOS of HRD. He had said that now that the girl has passed away, let's not just treat her as a symbol. She was a living person with a name, and it's important that that name now stands out as a symbol of everything that the society is fighting for. Javed Ansari, our political editor, now joins us. Right after Shashi Tharoor had made those comments on Twitter, there was outrage. However, now, Javed, we see the family of this gang rape victim come out and saying nothing less than it being an honor to have a law named after her.
Meghna, it's extremely significant and also very courageous on the part of the family, because concerns were expressed that maybe, we need to keep the sensitivities in mind, the concerns of family in mind. They might not want, given the way our society is, that they might be, a bit concerned of how people would react to them as a family. Now the family itself has come out and made this bold statement, this courageous statement, that they think that this will be an honor. And this would be in line with the practice that is followed in other countries. In America, they have a Megan's Law. In the UK, I believe there's a law named after a victim, Sarah's Law. So if that indeed is the case and the family has no issues with regard to this, then I'm sure Shashi Tharoor's suggestion ought to be taken up, and it would be in the fitness of things if the law that is to be passed in the forthcoming session of Parliament is named after that brave heart.
In fact, Javed, yesterday we had seen the Congress being rather jittery about reacting or commenting on this entire issue. They were trying to keep their distance. Manish Tiwari came out and said that it's not about what we call it, it's about honoring her with actually having that law in place. Do you think now that the families come out, this rather brave families come out of this brave heart saying that they have no objection to it, now the Congress is going to take some sort of a definitive stand about it?
Meghna, it was not just Congress, even other political parties, including the BJP, they were all very cautious, given the sensitivities involved, that perhaps, this is not the right time. They had the concerns of the family in mind. Now that the family has come out and forthrightly said they would not mind this, in fact, they would consider it an honor, I'm sure this will give India's political class a great amount of confidence in going ahead and naming the proposed law after that great lady.
Well, Javed, do stay on with us. We are also joined on the phone line by Vijendra Gupta. He is a BJP leader who has been in constant touch with the family of the bereaved victim. So, आपको क्या लगता है कि ये फैमिली ने एक सही कदम उठाया है? उन्होंने बोला है कि उनके लिए एक बड़ा ऑनर होगा कि लड़की का नाम वो पब्लिक कर दे, so that everyone knows so that we can associate a face along with this entire courageous movement that this girl has sparked off.
डेफिनेटली मैं उसको वेलकम करता हूँ, क्योंकि मेरी अभी फादर से और ब्रदर से दोनों से बात हो गई है और उन्होंने मुझे ऑथराइज किया है कि मैं उनके बिहाफ पे देश को उनकी डॉटर का नाम बता दूं। आप मुझे अलाउ करेंगे, मैं बोल दूंगा।
बिल्कुल सर, आप हेडलाइंस टुडे में अगर आप बोलना चाहें आप बता सकते हैं।
डॉक्टर ज्योति सिंह, उनके फादर ने मुझे बोला कि मेरी लड़की का नाम है डॉक्टर ज्योति सिंह। और दूसरा उन्होंने मुझे ये बोला कि मैंने जो उनको बोला है और पूरी प्राइम मिनिस्टर को चिट्ठी लिख करके डिमांड की है कि उसको अशोक चक्र से सम्मानित किया जाना चाहिए। ये सिविलियन अवार्ड है, ब्रेवरी का हाईएस्ट अवार्ड है कंट्री का, और 1986 में दिया गया।